Hi, welcome to Happy Living. Keep smiling and stay happy. This is your Lata Shravan in the cooking series. When we think of a special non-vegetarian dish, our immediate thought goes to special biryani, right? And it becomes more special when it is your mom recipe. Today, the special recipe in our cooking series is mutton biryani. Ingredients required are mutton 500 grams, Basmati rice 2 cups, oil 100 ml, ghee 50 ml, cloves 4, cinnamon 1, biryani leaf 2, Elaichi 3, sliced onion 4, tomatoes 3, green chilli 4, mint leaves half bunch, coriander leaves quarter bunch, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon, salt as per your taste, lemon half, and curd 100 ml. To a mixie now, add 2 cloves, 1 small cinnamon, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 5 almonds, half sliced onion, 1/4 teaspoon of Ghas Ghas, 8 dry red chilli, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and grind them to a fine paste. In a cooker, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add cinnamon, clove, and sliced onion. Fry well until the color changes. Add chopped tomatoes. Add whole green chilli without slitting them. Add the ground paste from mixer. Now add the mutton pieces and stir well. Add salt as per taste. Mix well and add sufficient water for the mutton to get cooked. Add turmeric powder. Close lid for whistles until the mutton is cooked. In a pan, add oil, cinnamon, cloves, biryani leaf, and cardamom. Now add the sliced onions and fry well until the color changes. For 2 cups of rice, we need 4 cups of water. Measure the excess water from the mutton masala and add the rest of the water to get up to 4 cups. Add the cooked mutton masala now. Now add the soaked rice without any water. Add the excess water restrained from the mutton masala. Add salt and mix well. Squeeze lemon. When the water boils, close lid and keep a bowl of water for weight. Cook for 20 minutes in low flame. Stir well once cooked. Add coriander leaves and mix well. Now the biryani is ready and serve hot. This goes yummy with raita. Recipe is also available at the description below. Please do check out. You can now follow us at Instagram as happyliving.latashravan. Thank you and see you soon with another delicious dish.